KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 8th of October. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather fairly quiet for the rest of this week. The next cold front due in here Saturday morning as the weekend begins. Take a look at things today. There's the upper air look across the continental United States. Broad troughing over the east, a deep trough up in western Canada. That's going to pull down some really cold air and set up a major snowstorm for the northern states in coming days. Visible satellite view, the eastern half of the state with a field of cumulus clouds. The western counties are mostly sunny. And a big contrast across the state today. You got Muscle Shoals at 65, much below average. Montgomery at 88, much above average. And for most of the big communities where we are, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, upper 70s and low 80s, not too far from seasonal averages. And around the region, Dothan still in the endless summer down in southeast Alabama. They're sitting at 93. Cold front just didn't make it that far south and east. Winter storm warnings in effect now for parts of Montana, Wyoming. Winter storm watches for parts of the Dakotas as that big storm unfolds up there. They're going to be buried in coming days. Here's the severe weather outlook through tonight. Got a marginal risk over parts of New Mexico and far west Texas. This is tomorrow. And day 3, Thursday, a chance of severe storms along that front coming out across the heartland. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger numbers up north. And again, a lot of that's going to be in the form of snow and not rain. And down here, not much with this next cold front coming in late Friday night, Saturday morning. Rain amount should be under 1/4 of an inch for much of north and central Alabama, and basically nothing for the southeastern part of the state where they are still parched. Tropical weather. Got a disturbance out in the middle of the Atlantic and then a couple of X's off the southeast coast of the United States. Number 3 out there, that's already producing very strong winds. That most likely becomes a very potent hybrid storm off the east coast of the United States, and ridging north of that thing could keep it meandering about just offshore for days. But the Gulf of Mexico is quiet. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. Big trough in the western states. That's the one to watch. And for us, it'll be a lot like today. Partly sunny, low 80s. Could there be a shower somewhere? Yes, but most places will be dry. Thursday, the big snowstorm cranks up over the Dakotas, Nebraska. For us, the day will be warm and dry with highs in the low 80s in most spots. And this is Friday. A deep surface low that's over northern Minnesota. Big snows west of that. The trailing front could push a batch of showers in here, maybe late Friday afternoon or Friday night. And then Saturday, it's gone. The front is on to the east, and we are in a cool, dry air mass. And if this were to verify, highs would most likely be in the upper 60s, and the sky becoming mostly sunny. But the European is much slower. This is Saturday at 1 o'clock, and it's got the front coming through with a batch of showers during the midday hours on Saturday. So if you buy the GFS, the best chance of rain would be Friday night, early Saturday morning. If you buy the European solution, showers are possible into Saturday afternoon. And we'll kind of take a hybrid approach here and mention a chance of showers through at least Saturday morning. And then Sunday, we're in a really nice air mass. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 70s. Just perfect fall weather. Great day for the big race at Talladega. Monday, we're dry, but Tuesday of next week in a zonal flow, looks like the surface boundary comes north as a warm front, and that looks like we'll have a chance of showers perhaps statewide. Probably not a big rain event. Keep in mind, October typically is a dry month. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, the 18th, trough off the east coast, and that's a very dry air mass. Here's the rain for the next 15 days off the European. The ensemble mean about 2 inches for Birmingham. That's not bad if we get that. And the numbers off the European ensemble. 80s this week, 70s next week. Coldest morning Sunday morning. We should be down in the 40s for the first time in a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.